Yo, what's up guys, it's Performance by Preacher here. So sorry about not uploading a video yet about the 325i. So yeah guys, I've got one boost pipe done. Let's just focus, you guys can see this is one side done now. Just still have to put those little beads here so it doesn't shoot off. Still waiting for some silicone guys. But this is the boost pipe here, so you guys can see. Let's go to the car and show you where it goes. Okay guys, so yeah, this is where the boost pipe will be resting. If you can see, come down here, I'm gonna put a silicone over here to there, and then that should meet up perfectly. So yeah guys, that's one boost pipe done here. Now we just have to build the other one, which will probably just be a straight piece, running down here with one rubber 90 there and a rubber 90 over here with one straight piece in the middle. That should be perfect there. But yeah guys, so I'll try my best to do some actual videos how I'm shooting, like how I'm welding and measuring and all of that interesting stuff there. But yeah, so that's that. Okay guys, yeah, so then that piece there will be clamped on. Then we'll have another piece of rubber from there. And then this one piece over here, as you guys can see, it's probably how it will be because I need the space over here. The space here for a nice air filter, we're gonna put it right over there, like a nice BMC filter or something from here. So that's the space I'll be having to put that boost pipe over there. Now it's just down pipe and the rest of the manifold studs and bolts, and then that's that guys. We're starting to get somewhere. And then as well, we finally did the intercooler mounting. 304 stainless steel, nice and sturdy, also mounted there at the bottom. Still have to put the oil cooler back as well there, and then probably just run the silicone from here to there, and then that side as well. And then yeah, we have to put the bumper back, get everything back, the grills and all of that, and then we have to finish the downpipe. Yeah, but guys, it's been quite a journey trying to push as hard with this as we can, try to get it finished. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. I think it's gonna be a sick car. Also, the gearbox has been changed in this car. We made it from an automatic to a manual. So it's a manual now. I think it's a 5-speed manual, some gearbox, I'm not too sure. I'll check it up and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, the fabrication is getting better and better every day. Yeah guys, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. Stay tuned to see this thing run.